This person was diagnosed 15 years ago and had negotiated with her GP, who prescribed her a monthly injection. Then she moved to another house in another part of the country. And guess what? Her new GP has told her that she can only have an injection every 3 months. She protested, and so the doctor ordered a blood test, and, as you would expect, her vitamin B12 was high. And so the GP has now stopped all injections until a few months later. And this is what she said: "I'm beside myself with worry. The pins and needles have returned and I'm getting all of my mental symptoms back." Patients getting their treatment stopped when their vitamin B12 is high occurs far too often. The guidelines from the British Committee for Standards states clearly that only once should the patient's vitamin B12 be assessed, and that is just after loading doses have been completed to ensure that the injections have worked. But we know that doctors will routinely ask for a vitamin B12 test if the patient requests more frequent injections, with the unfortunate outcome that the patient's injections are stopped for 3 or 6 months, and then the vitamin B12 is tested again. This happens all the time, and that is why I am a big proponent of self-injecting, of buying your own vitamin B12 vial and syringes so that you can inject on your own schedule and take control of your own health and not be dependent on an outside resource. This person went on to say, "I don't know what I'm going to do. I'm frightened I'll develop more nerve damage. My Christmas is ruined." And this is sad. This is a sad story because all of this could have been avoided if she had her vitamin B12 injections at home. Eat healthy, get enough folate, vitamin D, potassium, and then add vitamin B12 injections to the mix. And this will prevent nerve damage in most cases and also heal damaged nerves. I'm living proof. I was nearly in a wheelchair. I had difficulty breathing, memory loss, weakness, shortness of breath, pins and needles, heart palpitations. But once I got the vitamin B12 injections at www.b12bu.com, I was healed and back to normal within a couple of weeks. And I want the same for you. The vitamin B12 comes with syringes and alcohol swabs, and the vitamin B12 vial will last for 40 injections. So the price per vitamin B12 injection comes out to about $3 and change. It beats having to drive back and forth to the clinic all the time. It's convenient, affordable, and life-giving. If you have any questions or comments, please reach out at our website. Thank you, and God bless.